Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's vocabulary based on name of two-wheeler vehicles. Our first word is pulsar, which means a type of star in space that produces a regular radio signal. For example, they discovered a new pulsar wave. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, magnetic field lines coming out from the type of star in space. Our next word is avenger, which means a person who does harm to or punishes someone who has done something bad, especially to the person's family and friends. For example, she was seen as the glorious avenger of her sister's death. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, ready to take avenge by the group of peoples. Our next word is splendor, which means the beautiful and impressive features of something. For example, she has a passion for life in all its splendor. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, impressive group of peoples. Our next word is maestro, which means a man who is very skilled at playing or conducting music. For example, Zakir Hussain is a musical maestro from India. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, Zakir Hussain is performing. Our next word is duke, which means a man with a very high social position just below that of a prince. Second, the fists, especially when raised in a fighting attitude. For example, the duke was the king's most trusted advisor. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, duke is along with prince and queen. Our next word is intruder, which means someone who is in a place or situation where they are not allowed to go, especially to commit a crime. For example, Saurav feels like an intruder when he visits their home. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, a person is trying to enter into a home to commit crime. Our next word is Apache, which means a member of a tribe of Native Americans living mainly in southwestern part of the United States. For example, his grandfather was jailed for protesting against the US government's efforts to remove Apaches from their tribal lands. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, you can visualize the Apache's culture. Our next word is zest, which means enthusiasm, eagerness, energy, and interest. Another meaning is a piece of the peel of a citrus fruit, such as an orange or lemon, used as a flavoring. For example, it's wonderful to see the children's zest for life. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, peoples are playing football very enthusiastically. Our next word is deluxe, which means notably luxurious, elegant, or expensive. For example, the deluxe model of the car. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here we can see a deluxe room. Our next word is hornet, which means any of the large waspid wasps. For example, while most Asian giant hornet nests are in the ground, this one was in a tree. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is unicorn, which means a mythical animal typically represented as a horse with a single straight horn projecting from its forehead. Another meaning is something that is highly desirable but difficult to find or obtain. For example, an album like this is something a unicorn. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is rebel, which means opposing or taking arms against a government or ruler. For example, the rebels are on the point of surrender. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Our next word is access, which means the means or opportunity to approach or enter a place. For example, the staircase gives access to the top floor. Remember this word by relating these pictures. Here, person is trying to get access through fingerprint scanner. Thank you for watching our channel.